Mommy.
Go ahead. This is her first time going upstairs.
No, she decided she didn't want to go.
Oh. Come on up, silly little lady.
Go on. You don't need me.
Come on. Come on.
Did she make it all the way the first time?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Go on. You don't need me.
We just want to make sure you don't fall to your death, that's all.
Going up or down?
Going up. There's no way she would make it downstairs.
Oh, now you're going to walk up the stairs? Is that what you're going to do? Those are big baby steps.
Go on.
I remember.
Go on
we
there,
used to have
Peanut.
beanbags. We used to ride the beanbags downstairs.
Run on up there.
Do you remember that, Ashley?
Mm-hmm.
Keep going. You don't need me. I'm right behind you. You a little wobbly there, dude. Mom, you're in the way.
Hey! Hey, Pumpkin. Come on. All right.
No. Now how do you go back down?
On your stomach.
You did it!
Yay, Taylor!
It only took you 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
That's trouble.
That is unbelievable.
That's trouble. That's big trouble. You wanna go down? You wanna go down now? Here you go.
And you burped. Yay, you did it!